A grand jury has indicted two former Uvalde school police officers in the botched law enforcement response to the 2022 mass shooting at Robb Elementary School that left 19 children and 2 teachers dead, two Texas state government sources with knowledge of the indictment told CNN Thursday. Former Uvalde Consolidated Independent School District Police Chief Pete Arredondo and former school police officer Adrian Gonzalez were named in the indictments, which represent the first criminal charges filed in the school massacre. Arredondo surrendered himself to the custody of the Texas Rangers in Uvalde on Thursday, an official with the Texas Department of Public Safety told CNN. The former chief was booked on 10 counts of child endangerment and known criminal negligence, according to the indictment. Arredondo was then released on bond, according to the Uvalde County Jail. Gonzalez was booked into the Uvalde County Jail early Friday afternoon, the Uvalde Leader News reported, citing Uvalde County Sheriff's Office Chief Deputy Brandon McCutcheon. Gonzalez was waiting to be processed, McCutcheon told the paper. Earlier in the day, Gonzalez attorney Nico LaHood told CNN in a statement the former school police officer was planning to self-surrender, so the judicial process can move forward. It is very early on in our representation, so we will be working to acquire the evidence the government is relying on in this accusation, LaHood said. Mr. Gonzalez's position is he did not violate school district policy or state law. The application of this statute to law enforcement under these circumstances is unprecedented in the state of Texas. It will take time to evaluate these allegations and the underlying facts, LaHood continued. CNN has reached out to the Uvalde County Jail for more information. The indictment against Gonzalez was not immediately available from the Uvalde County District Court Clerk's office. Our administration has not been contacted by the district attorney's office regarding any of our staff, and we don't have any comment at this time regarding the matter, the Uvalde Police Department said in a statement on Facebook Thursday night. The Uvalde County District Attorney's Office is not planning to file any more indictments in the botched response to the shooting, according to family members who have spoken to District Attorney Christina Mitchell. Kimberly Rubio, the mother of 10-year-old victim Lexi Rubio, and Brett Cross, the guardian of 10-year-old victim Uzia Garcia, told CNN they were informed by Mitchell there would be no further indictments coming out of the grand jury. I'm glad 2 people are indicted, Rubio told CNN Friday. It's not justice until there are convictions. But I am also aware that there were others at fault that day, and it's hard to accept that they will not face any consequences. I would be lying if I didn't say I feel like that's not enough, Cross told CNN. Arredondo faces 10 felony charges of child endangerment for failing to recognize the incident as an active shooting and for failing to take proper action to intervene, the indictment says, and these behaviors placed each child in imminent danger of bodily injury, death, physical impairment, and mental impairment. Gonzalez also faces felony charges of abandoning and endangering a child, Mitchell, the Uvalde district attorney, told the Uvalde Leader News. The district attorney's office declined to comment to CNN Friday. Family members of the victims have been meeting with the DA's office to discuss the results of the months-long grand jury investigation, according to Brett Cross, the guardian of 10-year-old Uzia Garcia, one of the 4th graders killed in the shooting rampage. Jesse Rizzo, the uncle of one of the students killed, Jacqueline Cazares, said he was pleasantly surprised to learn about 2 officers' indictments, but had hoped more people were faced with criminal charges, he told CNN's Kate Baldwin Friday. It's the beginning of something, right? Rizzo said. But in order to bring closure, you would want all the officers that didn't do their job that day, that failed to respond appropriately, you would want them to be held accountable in an equal way. Rizzo hopes the DA will explain her intentions in public and indicate if any more indictments can be expected, he said.